Welcome back to another van conversion video. In this one, I'll be fitting the gas system and the hob. First thing to do on this was to make a gas locker. You can obviously buy these, but they're shockingly expensive, and all they basically are is an airtight box. I decided to make one out of some of the leftover MDF that I had from the build. This is a simple MDF box that was screwed together and then fitted to the back of the van. It's then sealed around all the edges with silicone, with a door added that's got some seals on to keep everything there airtight. I then cut a hole through the body of the van and added a dropout vent. I haven't shown a lot of the gas fitting in much detail because you're better off either going to a gas engineer or watching a full how-to video if you're going to do this yourself. But I didn't want to skip over this completely as I'm covering all elements of the van build in this series. Basically, you want a fully airtight box for your gas bottle to sit in with a dropout vent, which is basically a vent that allows any gas leaks to escape out of. The gas is heavier than the air, so it drops to the bottom of the gas locker and out through the body of the van. You can do the gas yourself, and ideally, if you are, you just get it signed off by a gas registered engineer. Next up, I cut a hole for the gas pipe to go through the gas locker and through the wall of the cupboard to allow this to attach to the hob. The gas line inside of the gas locker is attached to a gas regulator that attaches onto the top of the gas bottle. The hob came with a kit with these foam seals and clips to fit it, but they didn't really work with this type of worktop, so I decided to sit it onto a bead of silicone and then silicone around the edges to seal it. So that's the gas all finished. Let me just show you a quick walk round. It's getting slightly dark in here, so it might be a little bit dark under the bed. You've got the hob all fitted in, nice and secure. And the gas pipe goes through the wall of this cupboard, which is also held in by a little clip there to stop that rattling about. Then that comes under the bed, well, through the bed, under the bed. Let's get some light on. Hold on. Oh, we've got some light now. That comes out, along, and into the gas locker, which then has the gas regulator onto there, and a strap for the gas bottle, with a dropout vent in there, seals on the door, and catches to seal that. And the sliding doors slide a magnet together. Then we've got, I added this little cabin hook just to stop it opening when you drive the van. how good does that hob look, to be fair? That hob with that sink, spot on. In the next video, I'll be starting on the finishing touches to the inside of the van and getting it pretty much all finished inside. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.